Exciting developments are on the horizon for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and we're just a short month away from the highly anticipated Unpacked event. Samsung seems to be pulling out all the stops for the S24 Ultra in 2024 with a focus on major improvements. Let's delve into the 10 key changes that have recently surfaced. Camera upgrade. The standout feature is a significant enhancement to the main camera sensor. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to default to 24 megapixels, doubling the resolution compared to its predecessor without compromising HDR quality. 8K video experience. The S24 Ultra is poised to deliver the most exceptional 8K video experience on the market. It can capture 8K videos at 30 FPS using the main sensor, and it introduces a new 5x zoom sensor, allowing 8K videos at 5x magnification. This marks a pioneering move for flagship smartphones. 5x zoom sensor upgrade. Addressing initial skepticism, the new 5x zoom sensor appears to be a substantial upgrade over the S23 Ultra. This sensor not only supports portrait zoom photos at various magnifications, but also boasts superior stabilization for smoother videos and improved low-light performance. Durability boost. The S24 Ultra is set to be the first phone featuring the new Corning Gorilla Glass armor, presenting a remarkable improvement in durability. The titanium frame, far from just for aesthetics, is expected to enhance durability by approximately 56%, surpassing the aluminum frame of the last generation. AI-powered features. The S24 series is introducing an intelligent gallery backed by AI. A standout feature is the ability to improve the background of your subject in a photo using AI. This means you can adjust the background according to your preferences, providing greater flexibility in photo composition. Built-in AI Chatbot. The S24 series will include its own AI chatbot. Users can assign any title such as love, and the AI can generate an essay on the topic, summarizing key points. This promises a novel and efficient way to interact with AI. Single-take upgrade. The single-take feature on the S24 Ultra now supports up to 10x zoom, offering users expanded capabilities for capturing diverse moments. These 10 significant updates revealed in recent leaks showcase Samsung's commitment to making the Galaxy S24 Ultra a powerhouse in 2024. Feel free to share your favorite update in the comments and stay tuned for the latest and most up-to-date videos by subscribing. Until next time, peace out.